Namo Buddhaya. On this episode of the Being Buddhist podcast, we'll learn how we can be the types of people the Supreme Buddha said are very hard to find in the world.
Namo Buddhaya, Theruvan Saranai. This Dhamma advice is for the ones who are expecting a peaceful day and a peaceful life. So Buddha's teachings can act like a great umbrella for you. The ones who are seeking happiness, they should develop good qualities. So to develop good qualities, we need to learn them and have some guidelines for our life, and we should be guided by a person who has developed higher qualities. So as you all know, the Buddha is a great person who has developed enormous qualities. So one day the Buddha said, and Buddha taught about two rare people in this world. How many? Two rare people in this world. The first person who is rare to be found is someone who helped for the first time. Imagine when you are in trouble, there is someone who will help you as the first person. He will be the first person to help you. So after someone helps you, someone else also might support you. So there are people in this world, they are very rare, but they will help you when you need immediately as the first person to help you. But very rare. So that's the first person that is rare to be found in this world. And the second person is a person who is grateful. A person who is grateful. That person is also rare in this world. You can't find such people who are grateful. Extremely rare. That means frequently, now think of the opposite of rare people. So the ones who help you immediately when you need something, for the ones who help you immediately, they are very rare. But frequently you might meet people who will not help you immediately. And you might meet a lot of people who are not grateful, because the ones who are grateful are rare, but very often, frequently. And people who are not grateful are a lot. Many people like that in this world. Now see how dangerous this world is. Imagine how dangerous this human life if our lives are not guided by the Buddha's teachings. So once Buddha has taught something, once Buddha has explained things in detail, and once Buddha has highlighted something, we should take it as an amazing advice, as a great advice for our life. And we should try to help others immediately. And we should always recollect the favors that were done by others, the support we got from others. It could be a small thing sometimes. It could be a very small thing. Someone would have just smiled you once in life and made you happy for a moment. So let's be the ones who will help others immediately and become and fall into the category who are rare in the world. Then you will feel happy today. Practice that whole day. And be a one who will recollect the benefits that you have experienced because of others. The support that you have received from others. Recollect those support and the favors you have got from others, and be a grateful person who will be considered as a rare person in this world. So, rare people learn this Dhamma. Very rarely people listen to these amazing Dhamma advices, and very rarely people practice these qualities. So, we bless you wholeheartedly. May you practice these two qualities and become a rare person who will attain Nibbana in this Gautama Buddha's dispensation. Sadhu, sadhu, sadhu.
To learn more about the Buddhist teachings and how to be a Buddhist, visit serenecolombo.org, where you'll find other podcasts, videos, and articles that help us to live happily, following the teachings of a fully enlightened Buddha. Namo Buddhaya.